It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 14th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's historic dry spell continues. Everybody watching for the cold front early Saturday morning. Will it bring rain? If so, how much? And when will this drought finally subside? Let's go in there and see if we can find some answers and some hope for the end of this long dry spell. This is the water vapor satellite view today. We got broad troughing here across the deep south, but of course there's no moisture about. The only thing I can show you is smoke. Smoke from a distant fire. Big fires over Georgia and the Great Smokies up into parts of the Carolinas. The bulk of the smoke today is over Georgia. It's pretty nasty in Atlanta. It's affecting the far eastern counties of Alabama, but much of our state today is smoke-free. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 60s. Birmingham at 68. And around the nation, I'd see it's fairly seasonal for mid-November. Nothing especially cold. There's the watch warning map. Things are quiet around the nation today, and that's the convective outlook. There could be a few pockets of thunder west of the state this evening around the Mississippi Delta, the state of Arkansas, but here, no. In fact, this is not encouraging. This is the WPC guys showing the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday of next week, showing a little bit for north and west Alabama, and that's it. I do think Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden will see some rain late Friday night, early Saturday morning, but no, it's not going to dent the drought. And I'll show you the specifics with model output here in a moment. And the tropics, watching that little disturbance in the western Caribbean, some chance that begins to try and organize, but anything down there would be pulled northeast, and certainly is not going to help us with rain. Here we go, model fans, the 12Z GFS valid at noon tomorrow. This is at 500 millibars, troughing over the southeastern states, a dry air mass, partly to mostly sunny and a high around 70. Wednesday, sunny with low 70s. Thursday, upper 70s, and somebody might touch 80 with no soil moisture. That is easily doable. This time, in this type of situation, we're dry, but look at the snow beginning to gather out in the Rockies, and this is Friday, a blizzard raging across the Dakotas up into northwest Minnesota, and a trailing front down through Tulsa and Abilene, and that's the front we're going to watch. We'll go to Saturday. The surface low is over the UP of Michigan with kind of a dying duck band of showers down through here. Let's look at the reliable European model. This is at midnight Friday night, 12 a.m. Saturday. You can see a band of showers, maybe some thunder on the front coming through the deep south. And look, this is not a lot here, but come on, we'll take anything we can get. And this is the expected precipitation total off the European by midday Saturday when it ends. And if this verifies, Birmingham would see 0.2 of an inch of rain. That'll break the dry spell. It's not going to break the drought, but it breaks the number of consecutive days with no measurable rain. You see a few spots up in northwest Alabama with a half inch. So at least it's nice to see something. And again, the main window for these showers, I'd say midnight. Let me back that up. Maybe 10 o'clock Friday night until 10 a.m. Saturday, that 12-hour window. Sunday, at 10:33, high comes in. Breezy, sharply colder. Highs will drop down in the low 50s. North Alabama areas north of Birmingham will likely stay in the 40s all day. Look at the anomalies. Very chilly air for the southeastern states. Easily the coldest so far this season. And this is Monday. Big trough on the East Coast. And again, a chilly air mass. Monday, goodness, the latest guidance off the GFS for Birmingham is showing 23. I mean, that's cold for the middle of November. That will easily wrap up the growing season, and the high would be in the 50s. We'll go out to the end of the forecast period. No, this is Thanksgiving Day. Wow, Thursday the 24th. We got a trough in the west, trough around the Great Lakes. For us, yeah, we're dry. Maybe some rain for parts of the Great Lakes region, maybe some snow for upper Michigan, parts of Wisconsin, New York State, New England, and maybe some snow back in the Intermountain West. All right, this is the European ensemble output for 45 days. We are optimistic. December will be much more active, and again, the ensemble mean down there at the bottom showing over 5 inches of rain by December 26th. And the numbers, you can see the big cool down. After that front over the weekend, highs dropping to 52 on Sunday. Now, the ensemble has 32 early Monday, but again, the deterministic output here is showing 23. Whatever, I think most everybody's going to go below freezing Monday morning. And after that, cool days, chilly nights. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.